evening. This is not a good morning vlog, this is a good evening vlog. We are doing a quick product tester. It's gonna go into this little room here. We're gonna do the face mask. I'm terrified, absolutely bloody terrified to do this. But excited at the same time because it is a viral product. I am very late to the bandwagon. Let's go this way, Ellie, come on. No, that's terrible too. Oh look, I just look like shit. It doesn't matter which way I'm trying to face this. Yo, what's up? Oh, look at the shadows. Shadows. Right there. Oh my god, this is just like not working out for me. Okay. Well, I'm about to do a product test review. We're going to be doing the old school viral products. It was viral, I think, last year. I can't remember actually, but this is the Hell-Pore cleanup mask. I thought, well, I'm going to go edit some videos. I may as well just test this product out and we'll see how it goes. It's by Elizavecca. I will list the product down below if you want to try it out. And it's terrifying. You can go search the other videos that did this product review and it's just hilarious to watch. I just wanted a really good one. And yeah, I just thought, why not go with the one that rips people's faces off? Because that's results, if you ask me. Go hard or go home. Anyway, I'm going to go take my makeup off. Get something to take my makeup off, and then we're gonna try this out. I'm super excited, super excited. I still haven't cleaned up from the hair product tutorial that I did yesterday. Whoopsies. What do I need to take my makeup off? I need my makeup removing butter, okay, and a flannel chat. Need some lights off, save some power. Put this down here so that I'm in view while I take my makeup off, and we'll have a bit of a chat while I put this dangerous stuff. Where's my headband? Go get my headband. Man, I suck, don't I? Okay, so, as I was, oh, this is really hurting my knees. Hang on. Okay, ready? I'm sorted now. Oh, it's so comfy. Okay, so, the product we're using, just in case anybody cares, is by Trilogy. I've got one from Impurities as well, but I'm just gonna use this one up. Makeup Be Gone Cleansing Balm with rosehip, mango, and coconut. If you guys haven't seen this, it's amazing. Any balms to remove makeup are amazing. Take my makeup off on camera. I've got a waterproof mascara on. If I was to take that off right now, it'd just be a mess. So yeah, I'm gonna just apply this. I'm actually gonna do it in more areas though, so I'm gonna do my nose. Actually, we're doing the whole face. Why not? Let's just go, let's just do this. It's gonna pretty much wax my face off, but that's okay. Let's open this up and have a look at the product, shall we? So this is, as I said, what it looks like. That is the product there. I'm just excited to have a good blackhead mask. I'm so scared of this. So bloody scared of this. So it's got a little doodac. It smells, I kind of like it. It's probably really strong for some people, or they'd be like concerned about putting that on their face. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for it to dry, do its thing, then I'll come peel it off on camera. I know you're all really interested to know if this works. I should have shown you my skin before it, but I really want to do one of those videos where you get the those magnifying thingies. That like, I don't even know if it's got a magnifier because it bloody well just like, it's like those little micro camera things so you can see really close to your skin. I really love to do that. But anyway, I will be back when it's ready to take this off. And if I'm too scared, I'm just going to sleep in it and it's going to be stuck in my face forever. But we'll see how we go. I can already tell this is going to suck. So, I'm gonna go get a mirror. I can't even talk. I'll be back in a second. I'll get a mirror. It's so like rock solid. Look at that. It's not that bad. Please at least work. That sound though. It's like waxing my face. It feels like plastic coming off your skin. Okay, either I'm really brave or everybody else is just a pansy. Look at my skin, oh my god. This is like nowhere near as exciting as I thought. I've obviously got balls. I clearly have a high pain threshold, or I just am a sucker for pain, I don't know, but this is just not hurt. Like it hurts, but it's not that bad. I wonder if I just didn't put enough on, but why would you need to put any more product on than that? It hurts when you don't go like with the grain of your skin. I'm interested to see if it does anything. This hurts a little bit. Definitely not unbearable. It's making my eyes water. Like, it is like little, like I can feel it peeling off the little hairs and stuff, but I got that really close to my brow. I'm gonna be careful there. I might just leave that part. Oopsie. Let's just pull that, and I'll use soap for that one. So this is the part that usually hurts. Did it work is the question. Wow, it actually did. Oh, that definitely makes your eyes water. I'm trying to see if it did anything, but it definitely did in some areas. It's definitely waxed like the majority of my peach fuzz off. That's okay. It makes it easier for my makeup to go on. It's worked. I definitely thought it would have more, like worked more, but I don't know, nothing to report, guys. I can't do like some cool like thumbnail, I don't think. Unless I was to like zoom in on it. I don't know, it was like not even worth the hype. I don't know what people were whinging about, how that even went viral. I think some like pansy tried it. Then everybody wanted to get on the pansy train and like said how much it hurt and stuff. Or I just didn't put enough on. Or it's just a different formula. I don't know. It definitely, it's not like not painful. It's just not like, ah! My face is definitely red. It feels smooth, like I've just waxed my face. It's so bizarre. My makeup's gonna go on so nice tomorrow. Can I notice a difference close up though? Let's look. Turn the mirror around to the magnify part. I still have loads that this could have done. Okay. Okay, not happy, not happy. Oh, yeah, look. Yeah, look, chat. I don't know. I felt like it was going to be like quite a funny video or something, but really wasn't. Really wasn't. It's just made my eyes, like my nose, and it's very smooth. Like it feels amazing. Like it feels so freaking smooth, but I don't know. Right, okay, well. I don't feel like that's like the most painful face mask at all. I would be, it would take a lot to convince me that that was the worst one to use. I don't know. I'm not happy with it. Like, don't get me wrong. Like, maybe my pores just aren't as bad as I think, or I don't know. It feels so smooth. I'm looking forward to putting my impurities oils and stuff on. It feels so amazing. Oh my god, it's so smooth. Okay, so like I'm happy with the product. I just wanted to have like this amazing thumbnail of like a whole bunch of shit being pulled out of my skin, but clearly that's not going to happen. But it is nice, really nice. So yeah, I don't know. Boo on the painful face thumbnail, but yay for feeling nice on my skin. So, and it's not burning my face off, which is always good. So at least I've got a face mask now. I haven't had one for years, so happy about that. Anyway guys, I'm gonna go get back to singing and editing, and I will see you in the next vlog.